Hello, Reno fam. Thank you so much for the continued support. Remember to follow my tiny YouTube channel and help me grow. Just a quick heads up, today is the 6th of March, and I can safely say to you guys that construction is still underway. So please stick around for longer if you want to know why. So this is a 2-week update. Remember, our other house was on the market for sale and we were still staying there. We were obviously happy that we got a buyer, but we were crossing our fingers that the registration process should take a bit longer because our new home was not livable yet. Kabati, the deed office completed everything within 72 hours and the house was registered under the new owner on the 15th of November. So in these 2 weeks, we had to rush and push for our wing to be made livable: the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, hubby's office, and also the garage. The previous week, we had the roof done on my wing, and now they are putting up the roof for the garage. So now the floors also have to be prepared, especially in the garage and bedroom, before we put any furniture. Ceiling boards had to also be placed. Electricians had to come through to connect in order for us to have electricity. Hubby also made sure that there is Wi-Fi connectivity. We have been keeping the builder updated on the transaction of the other house, and we even gave him timelines. Of those timelines, he promised that he will be done with our wing completely before we move in. So for about a month, he knew the pace that he had to work on in order to meet the deadline. So everything that we were asked to buy urgently, mind you, we bought. You see that front door, you are seeing it in November, right? It was only put up in mid-February. Walls are being plastered and prepared. They are now even working at night until Boma 10 p.m. I only found out about this when our neighbor called and asked if the painting could stop around 9:30 p.m. That was not nice, so we had to ask the builder to stick to certain times during the day. So the bathroom is being tiled and plumbing prepared. The vanity will eventually be adjusted because I'm too short and couldn't reach the tap, or else I would have to use a small step. Mr. Plumber is very excited to show us his skills. All I'm concerned about at this moment is being able to move in and have hot water and at least a tub for bathing. I hate bathing, so I prefer showering. So you can imagine I had the worst 5 days of my life having to bath twice a day. I think I hadn't used a tub in like 4 years, so it felt like something really foreign to me. We also went shopping for cornices because we are designing our own ish, right? While overwhelmed by the construction, we forgot about things like the swimming pool, fish pond, and the garden. A lot of trees were removed, very expensive. I'm even thinking of becoming a tree feller. Now, reality is beginning to hit hard. A standalone house or freehold is our responsibility as owners. Everything. There is no more garden services in the complex or reporting any structural damage to the body corporate. We gotta do it all and all of it. It is a huge shift from a small 177 square meter garden to a 2,300 plus square meter garden. But there is no better joy than the freedom of doing whatever the heck pleases us in our own yard. Now things are going to change a bit because the construction was happening without us on site, and now we will literally be on the site for 24 hours. We shall see, so stay tuned. I will share our move out video in the next few days, taking back forest to the forest. Thanks for watching.